Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing good. I just showed you the station where I arrived, and it's a small town in the south of Belgium somewhere, and they speak German here. So yeah, there is about an 80,000 people population that speak German here in Belgium. So as you can see by the station, it's a very small town, but the plan is to go some further down to another town in Germany. So let's see how that works out. I'll show you how the name is written where I am here in a minute. Here is where I arrived, guys. And this is the end station. I know there is some more track there, but apparently they don't go any further, the trains. So there is the station itself. And here is the train that I just came off of. There we go. Well guys, I'm in the center of this little town, and this town is called Eupen, and it's all the way in the, well, not all the way, but close to the south of Belgium, and it is very close to the German border, like about 10 kilometers, and here they speak German, so, and this is Belgium still, but as many people don't know, Belgium has 3 official languages, so, and German is one of them. So, and here they speak German. So I thought there would have been much more to see in this town, but unfortunately it's just a tiny little town, and it's a cute town, but let's take a walk around and see what else there is to see. Like I said, guys, it's a nice little town, but it's kind of quiet here. Maybe on weekends there is a lot more ambience, but not today. So guys, since there is not much to see here in this town, I just sat down here on a bench, kind of in the center maybe, and I thought I'd talk to you guys for a minute. I was actually good. I was actually planning to take a bus to the German border and go and just across the border to another city there. However, I just came out of the tourist information and they told me no buses on Monday, which is today. So I couldn't believe it, because that was actually the purpose of my trip here, actually, to go to the German border, show you guys another crazy border in Belgium, and go to this little city in Germany. Actually, that's what I was planning on doing. However, it's not going to work out. So therefore, I'm sitting here on the bench debating what to do. And I might jump back on the train and go to another big city close by. The city of Liège, where I've been before, and you've probably seen that video from Liège when I was there. There's that Liège, that's the city famous for the Belgian waffles. So I'm probably gonna go there. In the meanwhile, I'm sitting here looking around what to see, and I will show you around and show you what is there to see here. There is a metal toy boat here in the square. And that house is divided in half, and the other half was fixed up, and the other half still looks the old way and crooked. Although I have to say there are a lot of patios and terraces here to sit, so it must be busy here at some point, someday, but not today, because it seems that Monday is not a good day here for anything, because most of the stores are closed. The restaurants and cafes are open, but there are no people on the patio, so who knows. So I will make my way back to the train station and see what I'm doing from there. Hey guys, well, this is the end of my disastrous day, guys. So today was one of those days where nothing went right. So, you know, sometimes you have days where everything goes smooth and nice and quick, but today was total opposite. Everything went so wrong and not right. It's not even funny. But what can you do? It happens, right? And so I came to the end of this day, luckily. And yeah, well, this is gonna be a short video, guys. Or maybe I add some footage from a previous day, I know, which is kind of weird and unusual. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you to all the people that watch our videos. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please consider it. It would help us out a lot. And thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye. guys? I hope you're doing great. I'm just here in Antwerp Central Station, and I was walking around here and I saw something unusual, I would say. And as you know, guys, I always try to find unusual things that are different. And here is what I found. Take a look. Take a look at this, guys. Look at it. It says here, enjoy green energy. So I saw this and I thought, enjoy green energy. What is this for? And then here on the side I looked and I see like pedals, like a bicycle, and a seat. And take a look at this. This is a plug, you know, where you can plug in your phone, and it's not connected to the electricity, but you have to pedal yourself in order to make electricity. Can you believe that? You know, I thought that was really, really funny, because if my phone is dead and I need to fully charge it, that takes about an hour. So can you imagine me sitting on that thing here in Central Station for an hour, paddling away to charge my phone? This is crazy. This is crazy. And there's the second one. So there you go, guys. That was my unusual thing for today. So, and here we are. See, way down there are the tracks, and down there are the tracks. There's a medium level, you know, and up there are tracks. So the tracks are actually 4 levels, you know. So anyway, let's get out of here. So there you had it, guys. You saw the green energy in full swing there. People were paddling away to get their phone charged. I was thinking it would be not a bad idea to have something like that in your house and put it in front of the TV, plug the TV in, and you paddle to watch a movie. In the meanwhile, you do some exercise as well, so maybe not a bad idea. Okay, guys, let's get going.
Close to the sun.